Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Hyundai Accent, stock number 6002. This ran from the 10th 2013 to the 12th 2019. Has a G4FD 1600 petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FD 1600 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front guard, 2 touch-ups. Right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo.
Hey buddy, how you going?
Interior mirror. Front courtesy light.
Got an invoice here for you?
Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.